ever wonder how your competitors are really performing on YouTube? YouTube keeps most channel data hidden from public view, making competitor research nearly impossible. Here's how TubeBuddy ChannelLytics reveal the data YouTube doesn't want you to see. Simply visit any YouTube channel page. ChannelLytics automatically appears, showing you lifetime statistics and last 30 days data for views and uploads that aren't publicly available anywhere else. You'll see a comparison chart that plots your channel's performance against theirs over the last 30 days. Click the drop-down to switch between views, subscribers, or videos uploaded in the last 30 days. Your stats show as the blue line, theirs as the red line. Below that, you'll see the channel's keywords they're using to help YouTube's algorithm understand their content and get found in search. Want to use the same keywords? Just click Copy Keywords. A pop-up appears letting you copy them all. Deselect the ones you don't want or add them to a list for later. Bottom line, stop guessing what your competition is doing and start seeing their real data with ChannelLytics.